Today I came to the Holiday Grand Hotel to pick up two clients from Indonesia and take them to our factory for a helicopter tour.
Comparing top helicopter brands for private ownership, why Zhonglian's experimental F27 stands out. When comparing top helicopter brands for private ownership, most buyers focus on commercial certified models from global giants. But Changzhou Zhonglian Aviation Technology Co. Limited, a Chinese F27 helicopter manufacturer, offers a unique alternative, experimental category, rotorcraft designed for customization and affordability. Here's how we stack up in the private ownership landscape. 1. The cost factor, accessibility over luxury. Unlike premium brands like Robinson or Airbus, our F27 helicopter, priced 40–60% lower, fits budgets of private pilots, hobbyists, and small businesses. While commercial models prioritize mass market compliance, our experimental airworthiness certificate lets us skip costly certifications, passing savings to you. Ideal for private owners who value practicality over prestige. 2. Customization, tailored to your needs. Commercial brands offer limited configurations, but as a Chinese F27 helicopter manufacturer, we thrive on customization. Add a camera mount for aerial photography, a spraying system for farm use, or dual controls for training, no need to fit standard setups. Our experimental status means you can modify the helicopter to match your unique needs. Note, always check local regulations for experimental aircraft operations. 3. Operational realities, know your certificate. Important to note, our helicopters hold an experimental airworthiness certificate, not commercial approvals like FAA Part 27. This means, limitations, not suitable for scheduled commercial flights, e.g., passenger transport for hire. Flexibility, perfect for private use, research, training, or agricultural tasks where customization matters. Regulations. Operators must understand local rules for experimental aircraft, something industry insiders recognize as standard for niche aviation solutions. 4. Why private owners choose Zhonglian's utility? Use it for ranch monitoring, scenic tours on private land, or the ultimate aviation hobbyist project. Lightweight design, under 450 kilograms, easy to store and transport, ideal for owners with limited infrastructure. Support network, global parts distribution and online training, tailored for private operators. The verdict, choose based on your use case. If you want a turnkey commercial helicopter, stick with legacy brands. But if you, a private owner seeking a customizable, cost-effective aircraft for personal or operational use, and understand experimental certificate requirements, Zhonglian SF27 offers unmatched value. As a Chinese F27 helicopter manufacturer, we not competing with giants, we empowering private aviators to redefine what a helicopter can be.